These simple 2D football animations have become one of the fastest growing opportunities on YouTube. Channels making these videos are pulling in millions of views, gaining millions of subscribers, and generating thousands of dollars in revenue. Take Bader Films, for example. Many of its videos have reached tens of millions of views, showing just how much demand there is for this type of content. Then there's Hamid Sahari, which has grown to over 4 million subscribers and over 3.9 billion total channel views. Even videos uploaded a few hours ago have already crossed 1 million views, and channel analytics estimate it's earning more than $6,000 every month. Even though the FIFA World Cup has ended, stories and what-if scenarios based on the tournament are still attracting millions of views, giving creators plenty of content ideas to work with. On top of that, major football tournaments and competitions take place throughout the year, creating endless opportunities to reach a massive audience. This proves there's still huge potential for new creators to succeed in this niche. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create these simple 2D football animations from start to finish. I'll walk you through the exact workflow I use, making the entire process easy to follow. So even if you have no animation experience, you'll be able to create videos like these yourself. But before we begin, here's a video I created using the exact method I'm about to teach you.
Messi versus Mbappe. Magic meets speed. But in a one-on-one, only one walks away. Mbappe is lightning fast, reaching speeds of up to 38 kilometers per hour. In open space, he's almost impossible to catch. But a one-on-one isn't a sprint, it's all about control. Messi can turn in just 60 centimeters, changing direction almost twice as fast. Speed is a weapon, but in tight spaces. Messi's magic wins.
At the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create these viral football animations from scratch. So let's get started. Step 1. Generate your story idea and prompts. Before creating your animation, you first need a strong prompt. A well-written prompt helps the AI generate engaging stories that match the style of viral 2D football animation videos. The goal is to create fun, creative scenarios that instantly grab viewers' attention and keep them watching. To make this process much easier, I've already prepared everything for you. You'll find a Google Doc linked in the description containing 4 ready-to-use prompts that will help you generate stories just like the successful channels in this niche. You can use this prompt with any AI chatbot, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Drama.land. Drama.land is an AI-powered creative platform that helps turn simple ideas into complete visual stories. I've left the link in the description. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the cinematic and storytelling category. Click on Video Studio to open the workspace where we'll create our video. Now, paste the first prompt you copied into the prompt box and press enter. DALL-E will analyze the prompt and generate 10 viral football video ideas. Choose the idea you want to create by entering its number. For this tutorial, I'll select number 8, Messi versus Mbappe. Who'd win a 1v1? After selecting your story idea, the next step is to expand it into a complete script. Copy the second prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into the prompt box. Replace the placeholder with your selected title, then click Generate. DALL-E will produce the entire story, including the script, story structure, character information, and all the details needed for your animation. Now it's time to create the image prompts. Copy the third prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into the prompt box. Instead of a title, replace the placeholder with the full output generated from prompt 2, then click Generate again. DALL-E will review the story, identify every character, create detailed character descriptions, and generate scene-by-scene image prompts for the entire animation. These prompts will act as the foundation for every scene you'll create in the next step. Step 2. Generating the scene. Images. Now that your script, character prompts, and scene prompts are ready, it's time to generate the images for your animation. One of the best things about Drama.land is that the entire workflow happens inside the same platform, so there's no need to switch between different tools. We'll start by creating the characters. Copy the first character prompt, paste it back into the prompt box and press enter. DALL-E will analyze the prompt and prepare a generation plan for you. Review it carefully, and if everything looks good, click Approve. If you'd like to change anything, simply tell DALL-E what you want. Since we're creating YouTube Shorts, I'll ask it to generate the image in a 9:16 aspect ratio. DALL-E will instantly update the generation plan and ask for your approval again. Once you're happy with it, click Approve, and the AI will generate your character. Preview the result, and if you're satisfied with it, download the image. Repeat this process until you've generated all of your characters. With the characters finished, it's time to create the scene images. Click the plus icon in the prompt box and choose Upload from Device. Then upload the character needed for the first scene. In this example, the first scene features Messi and Mbappe, so I'll upload the generated character images. Next, copy the scene 1 prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and press enter. DALL-E will analyze both the uploaded character and the scene prompt, then present another generation plan. If everything looks correct, click Approve. and it will generate the completed scene with your character naturally placed into it. Once the image is ready, review it and download it. Repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Simply upload the required character image, paste the matching scene prompt, approve the generation plan, and download the final image. By the time you're done, you'll have every scene image needed to bring your football animation to life. Ready for the next step. Step 3. Turning the scene images into video clips. Now that all of your scene images are ready, it's time to bring them to life. The first step is to generate the animation prompts that will tell the AI exactly how each scene should move. Head back to the resource document and copy the fourth and final prompt. Paste it into the same workspace where you generated the image prompts and images. Then replace the placeholder with the entire output from prompt 3 and click Generate. Within seconds, DALL-E will analyze every scene and create a dedicated image-to-video prompt for each one, describing the exact camera movement, character motion, and animation needed. Once that's done, upload your first scene image, then copy and paste its matching video prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. DALL-E will process both the prompt and the uploaded image, then ask you to choose a video model. I'll be using Cdance 2.0 Fast, but you can choose whichever model you prefer. After selecting your model, simply approve the remaining prompts, and DALL-E will transform your static image into a fully animated video clip. Preview the result, download it, and you're done. Now repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Upload the next scene image, paste its corresponding video prompt, generate the animation, and download the finished clip. By the end of this step, you'll have all of your animated scenes ready to assemble into a complete football animation. With all of your animated video clips ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover. Step 4. Generating the voiceover. We'll do this inside drama.land using the same workspace where we created the script, images, and videos. First, scroll back to your story script and copy the final version. If it's too long, simply ask DALL-E to shorten it while keeping the story intact. Then copy the updated script. Paste it back into the prompt box and type a simple instruction such as, generate a text-to-speech voiceover for the script below. Then click Generate. DALL-E will analyze your script and create a custom AI voice for the narration. If you're happy with it, simply click Approve to begin the generation. Within moments, your voiceover will be ready. Play it to preview the result, then download it. Just like that, you now have a clean, professional voiceover ready for your video. Step 5. Putting everything together. Now that your scene videos and voiceover are ready, it's time to combine everything into one complete 2D football animation. One of Drama.land's biggest advantages is that everything is done inside the same project, so there's no need to switch to another editing tool. Click the plus icon, upload all of your generated video clips and the voiceover, then enter a simple instruction like, combine these scenes with the matching voiceover. Click Generate, and DALL-E will automatically arrange the clips and sync them with the voiceover narration. Once the video is ready, preview it to make sure everything looks good, then download the final version. And just like that, you've created your own viral-style 2D football animation ready to upload to YouTube. As you've seen, simple 2D football animations have huge potential. Channels in this niche are consistently getting millions of views, building massive audiences, and earning thousands of dollars every month. With football attracting millions of fans all year round, the demand for this content remains strong. If you're looking for a YouTube niche with real growth potential, this is one worth getting into. What makes Drama.land even more impressive is that almost everything happened inside a single platform. From brainstorming the story idea to planning the scenes, generating the dialogue, creating the visuals, and producing the animations for the final video, DALL-E guided us through the entire process. Whether you want to create faceless YouTube videos, talking avatar content, animated stories, AI visuals, or other creative projects without filming yourself or hiring a production team, Drama.land brings multiple AI workflows together in one platform. It's easy enough for beginners to use, yet powerful enough to grow with you as your content scales. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've left my link in the video description. After signing up, head to the Task Center and redeem my exclusive invite code to claim 1,000 free credits. The code has a limited number of redemptions, so be sure to grab yours while it's still available. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.